everyone, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported my channel, thank you so very much for supporting me, for liking my content. In the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's picture card reading is what are the big changes coming your way. Okay, so remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Okay, so I have three groups over here. I have kept three brush pens, so you can select accordingly. So for the first group I have this orange color brush pen. For group number 2, this is the green one, and for group number 3 we have the blue one. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, let go of everything, don't think anything, and then just connect with yourself and select a group that really calls to you, or a color or a number 1, 2, 3. Select that. Okay, so orange, green and blue. Okay, so if you want more time, please pause the video, and the timestamps will be in the description box. Okay, so I'm gonna go with group number 1. Group number 1, so with this orange color, so I got some messages, so I'll tell you that first, and then we will look into this card. So for the first thing, I'm getting the big changes, like some of you are getting pregnant, some of you are becoming mothers, some of you are already pregnant, I feel like that, and some of you are becoming fathers, some of you are becoming aunts, like some upgrade in your family. I'm feeling like it's not necessary that you are the mother, maybe your extended family might, you might receive some good news from them. That is what I feel like, some changes there. And for some of you, your relationship, your father is going to improve. That is the message I got, like father healing. If you have been fighting, or if you have been arguing, or if your father was not supporting you, I feel there is a healing coming there. Maybe for some of you, you will be forgiving your father, or and moving forward with your life. That is also I kind of see like father healing, a lot of father energy here, something about father, and that is changing. Your relationship between your father is changing. Maybe you used to not talk to your father, and I feel that is changing. Maybe you will be able to forgive them, and like you will talk to them, something like that, about some father healing energy. Or maybe you will just forgive them and just move on with your life, something like that. You are anyways cutting the codes. For some of you, I feel like you're cutting that resentment, towards your father or towards any family member. I feel like that is, you're cutting it and you're moving towards happy, like you're just finally forgiving and just moving forward with your life. Sometimes we hold that resentment, and it is not good for us, and finally you're letting go of that. It can be anything, maybe a situation, but I feel a father figure very strongly here with this message. And for many of you, you're very creative souls, so a lot of creative ideas, expect a lot of creative ideas coming your way, and these creative ideas will help you a lot. Okay, so if you're going through some creative blocks, if you're not able to get that, that creative spark, I feel that is changing. You're going to get your creativity back. So just meditate, ground your energy, connect with nature. I'm getting connect with rose. I don't know why rose came. The smell of rose will give you a lot of peace. That is what is coming. Okay, so completely channeled message here, like rose will be very important. Or maybe for some of you, you might receive a rose, and because of that your relationship with someone will change. Okay, maybe a friend will give you a rose or propose to you. I don't know, that is very specific message for some of you. I'm getting this rose. And eggplant, I don't know why eggplant. Maybe you will be eating eggplants. Okay, so yeah, something about eggplants. Maybe you are building a maybe you are planting eggplants. I don't know, but something about eggplants. Or maybe it's the color, the color is like violet, so it's like purplish color. So maybe for many of you, your crown chakra is also activating. You're like getting a lot of downloads. That is also I'm feeling like, yeah, creative downloads for some of you definitely creative downloads. And don't worry about your pregnancy, guys. Also, if you're the one who always Google about things, don't do that. Okay, stop doing that. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. I'm getting that. Okay. So let's see the first card here. Oh, look at that card. Wow, faith. So we have the number 4, and it's all about security, stability. That is what I'm getting. So if you have been feeling like if your energies are like feeling very insecure, or if you're feeling very this, I'm getting this kind of energy when we are like overthinking and we are like stressing about things. We are making so much in our head. Like sometimes we do that, right? We overthink and we get out of our reality and assume things that what could go wrong, right? So if you're pregnant, you will be like, what will happen to my child? Or if you see some symptom, you will worry and then you will Google. Don't do that. Just consult a doctor if you're worried. Don't Google. Okay, that's I have to say that. And look at the card, faith. Just have faith that everything will be all right. Your pregnancy is going to be all right. Your creative projects will be all right. You will be able to, if you have a deadline for some creative project or something, you will be able to make it. Don't assume too much. Don't get worried too much. You are going to be taken care of by the universe. All you need to is to give the worries. Okay, so the thing that is changing for many of you, you might be having faith finally. Okay, that is also, I'm feeling like you will be like, oh yeah, okay, I'll have faith, I'll just give it to the universe and I'll keep on moving with my life, I'll enjoy my life. So that is also something inside of you is also changing. So if you're feeling very stressed, very anxious, very worried, I'm getting very worried of something or scared of something, you will be finally letting go of that that kind of energy, and you will be hopeful. You will have the faith. That is what I feel like. Okay, I don't know about milk. Some of you are worried if you are giving enough nutrition to your child, if your breast milk is providing you the if your child is getting enough food or something like that. You're worried. Yes, you are able to provide that much nutrition. Okay, that is what I feel. Some of you is worried about that nutrition thing. I'm getting like nutrition wise, whether my child will have sometimes when a newborn we have a newborn in our home, we worry a lot. And I feel for some of you this is very specific message. You're like, whether I'll be able to give him the food, you're like over stressing about it. Don't stress, relax, everything is gonna be fine. Okay, that is what I feel. Relax, everything is fine. For some of you might have a function or something like for some of you, I'm getting in a function you will receive some rose, a small function or something like that, function or celebration that will happen. Some of you will receive a rose, something about rose, I don't know. And because of that, your relationship with that person might change. Anyways, let's see what else for my group number 1. What is changing in their life? What is changing in their life? Universe. Okay, wow, connect with universe, guys. Universe is listening to you, and with this faith, give all your worries to the universe. The universe is with you. Look at the number 3. 3 is all about growth. So you are gonna grow. For some of you, you're gonna grow your family. For some of you, you will be growing plants like eggplants. I don't know, but something about that. If you have a garden, your garden will grow very nicely. That is what I feel. For some of you, connect with nature, connect with universe, because you are getting a lot of signs and symbols from the universe, and the universe has your back, guys. Remember that the universe is with you. You're going to grow, you're going to expand, your creative projects will be fulfilled. Expansion, in your career also, you're going to expand, you're going to grow. All you need to do is to surrender right now, and surrender to creativity, surrender to joy. I'm getting, be happy, do your work joyfully, not stress. Don't stress, instead with joy do your work. That is what I feel. And for many of you, completing a cycle, a new cycle is beginning. For example, like you're becoming new mothers, so yeah, a cycle, a different cycle, right? A new one when we start as like a mother. So that is what I feel. For many of you, it can be father. For some of you, you're healing from some situation, you're healing a relationship. And for some of you, it can be a new relationship. For others, it can be a new creative project. So something is ending, like whatever is ending, this ending will give you happiness. Okay, so just have faith, and you're gonna start a new life altogether. Something new, something exciting is gonna come soon for you guys, I feel like. And I'm getting this blue color might be important for you guys. As I said, blue purple, right? Yeah, blue purplish color, like your crown chakra, your third eye is also getting activated. A lot of signs and symbols. So if you're on a spiritual path, trust your intuition. Okay, trust your intuition. That is what I feel. Be confident, be confident, everything is okay. Don't worry too much, have faith. A lot of worrying energy, I felt like. Oh, look at that, prosperity begins, Ace of Pentacles energy. So if you have been planting a seed, if you have been working on a project, it is gonna grow. Okay, so for example, if you have been conceiving, if you're pregnant, you will grow that child, and you will have that happiness. It will be good, it will be fruitful. Okay, don't worry about it. For many of you, there is a door opening up for you guys, like Ace of Pentacles, it's like money wise growth you will see. So some changes related to money also. Okay, I'm getting you need to eat a lot of vegetables and fruits. Okay, that is what I feel like. I don't know, that is also a message. You need to eat more vegetables and fruits. Take care of your health, take care of your health. If you are pregnant, take care of your soul, nurture yourself. Okay, it's very important. Don't stress about your weight. Okay, you will lose it. Don't stress about your weight. I'm getting, don't stress. You're beautiful the way you are. Okay, for others of you, if you have there are more opportunities coming your way with money. Okay, so for some of you, I feel different sources of income. You know, you might be making income through different sources, doors of, yeah, that is what I feel. uh, some sort of opportunity will come your way that will give you a lot of abundance in wealth also. So for some of you, I feel, if you are in a creative project or something, if you freelance, or if you do work from home, you will get a lot of different opportunities to make money. Okay, that is shifting. If you have been concerned about your finances, door to abundance is opening up, guys. So yeah, you're completing a cycle, and this is also a happy cycle. I feel you will feel very completed, very successful, and a new cycle where more opportunities you will get a lot of opportunities. Okay, so work hard, guys, because you will yeah, work hard on your creative projects. Like, but you can work hard, but joyfully, work joyfully, not don't be stressed. Okay, that is coming here. So let's see what are the other changes for my group number 1. If you're doing two things at a lot of cards, if you're doing two things at the same time, like two jobs, you will be able to manage it. You're doing good, I'm getting. Okay, for some of you, you might be like making a decision between these two jobs. Okay, that is also I'm getting. A choice is coming here. Maybe you will make a decision and move on with one. Okay, and I'm getting you're doing good. Look at the orange color again, like your sacral chakra is activating. I feel like a lot of creative ideas, like, yeah, that is what I feel. And for some of for some of you, if you're trying to conceive, have faith, guys, have faith, you will. Let's see. Okay, Knight of Swords energy here. Things are going to be yeah, okay, so if you have been feeling that why things are not moving, if you're feeling like that, I feel things will move. Things are going to move fast. Okay, wow, what you got, look at that, the Sun card. So happiness is coming your way. Yeah, again, I told you about this, the third eye chakra, crown chakra, and you have this Queen of Cups. For some of you, definitely you're becoming a mother, you will be mothering people, you will be very kind to other people, you're becoming more compassionate. Something, you're changing, you're changing from inside. For some of you, definitely your intuition is going to be so heightened with this Page of Cups and Queen of Cups. I see that, your intuition is on point. And whenever you're feeling stressed, just connect with yourself. You will get all your answers, because everything is within yourself. Like with this Page of Cups and Queen of Cups, all I have to say is, always trust your intuition, because your intuition will give you the right path. And if you're again, the creative projects I'm getting. So if you have been doing some creative projects, some new ideas, you're going to do something very unique, so keep on working on it. Okay, trust your intuition. Maybe you will feel like it's a very crazy idea, but this is what, this idea will give you the success, this idea will give you the happiness. Again, the child energy, connect with your inner child. Okay, connect with the for some of you, definitely you are going to conceive, you're going to have a baby. Okay, or for some of you, it's like your family members, as I said. But definitely a lot of happiness is coming your way. If you're feeling stressed right now, if you're feeling very worried right now, that is all gonna go. You will be very happy, you will be connecting with yourself, and a lot of abundance I'm getting. A lot of money wise also, a little bit gain I'm seeing for you guys. In my financial matters also, things are going to change. But definitely you are completing a cycle, and and appreciate. Okay, appreciate yourself, because you have done very good job. Okay, now you're entering a new phase. For some of you it's motherhood, for some of you it's father, you're becoming a father or a grandparent, grandmother, whatever it is. Enjoy this. Don't stress about things are gonna move very quickly. I feel a lot of things will be coming at the same time. You will be very busy also, I'm getting. Okay, maybe you will have a sudden celebration in your home, and you have to prepare for that or something like that. But definitely I see someone, some new people coming your way also. You will be meeting new people also, I feel. If you're working on creative projects, you will be collaborating with other people. But just always trust your intuition, because you're very, very intuitive, you're very kind soul. Yes, you're very, very compassionate, you are empathetic. So cleanse your energy always. Maybe you take other people energy also, but always listen to your intuition, listen to your ideas, because that will give you a lot of success. With the Sun energy, a lot of happiness is coming your way. Okay, of course, very, very beautiful. Okay, let's see what else for my group number 1. Indecision here. 2 choices. I told you about 2 choices. You will be making a decision here, and this will change. Something about choices I'm getting here. You will make a choice and go with it, and you will trust. So all you need to is trust your intuition, guys. If you're feeling very confused, all you need to is meditate and trust your intuition, because that intuition will give you your answer. That is what I have to say. Okay, so if you're I'm getting between, if you want to choose between 2 people, 2 jobs, something really, any 2 choices, just trust your intuition and go with your gut feeling. I'm getting, go with your intuition. Okay, that will give you the best results. And for some of you, you're getting out of this energy of confusion, of where if you don't know if you want to go left, if you want to go right. If you're in this situation right now, that is going to change. You will make a choice that will make you happy. That is what I feel. So a lot of if you are going through a indecision right now, you will make a decision. Okay, you will make a choice. That is what I feel like. This indecision, this confusion is going to go. That is going to change for you guys. This is going to change for you guys. You have been disappointed about something, and you're getting out of this disappointment. You're moving towards You will be, yeah, you have disappointed in the past, you have been disappointed in the past. You have, maybe for some of you it's your own projects or your ideas or something. You have you had certain failures, but you're getting out of it. Okay, that is what is changing. You're coming out of that disappointment and you're moving towards happiness. So just be happy and live your life. Don't think too much, don't stress, because everything is looking good for you guys. Okay. Yeah, look, we have 9 of cups, 5 of cups to 9 of cups. Yes. So what is changing is your, if you were emotionally, you have lost something. This person is like so lost. They have emotionally gone through worst, and they have like, they're looking at these 3 cups that has like spilled over, and they don't know what to do. They are like hanging on to these 3 cups. But look at this is what is changing. From 5 of cups to 9 of cups, you're going to be very satisfied in your life. That is what is shifting. Something, you will be making a choice, and you're coming out of your failures. You're understanding that you're more than your failures. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you were disappointed in your love life or something, but you're cutting the codes and making a decision and moving forward with your life to a very happy life, to a very satisfied life. I'm feeling like that. It's very lot of internal changes also happening for you guys. I feel like that you're believing in yourself. Okay, let's see the charms for you guys. I'll just change these. Yeah, keep it. Let's see the charms. What the charms have to add to this. What is changing for my group number 1? All the big changes. Yeah, you have gone through, you're very courageous people with this cactus. I can see that. You're very courageous people. You have gone through a lot of disappointments in your life, but finally, you will be in this position where your wishes will be fulfilled. You will be feeling very emotionally satisfied. That is what I feel. Very emotional satisfaction. Don't worry about anything, okay? Yeah, a lot of protection. Yeah, again, rebirth. It's like Scorpio energy, like entering a new phase, like transformation, ending a cycle, beginning a new cycle. Okay. Yeah, for some of you it's like coming out of depression also, like living a new life of hope, like trusting yourself, like finally healing. Yeah, again, healing from a father figure, healing from some family abuse or something like that. You're completely cutting your codes and moving forward. Okay, for like healing your sacral chakra. That is what is happening. Yeah, a lot of wisdom is inside of you. As I said, you're very intuitive people. Okay, a lot of peace is coming your way. Changes are happening, like happiness. We have happiness and we have peace. A lot of happiness, a lot of emotional satisfaction, a lot of peace is coming your way. Financial abundance, growth is also happening for you guys. I feel like that with this, a lot of growth. Yeah, ignore, it's I feel for many of you, you're going to ignore the people who doesn't have something good to say to you. Okay, I feel like that you will be, you're becoming very confident. You're healing your sacral chakra, becoming very confident in yourself, and you're like, you'll be running far, you will be running away from these kind of people very quickly. Like if they say something negative, you'll be like, no, I don't have time for this, and you'll be like, you'll be out of that situation. I feel like that, and your intuition will help you in that. Look, a lot of loves. Yeah, I am getting this mother child love, father child love, something like that. Also a lot of protectiveness I'm getting. Yeah, you're very intelligent people, I feel like that. And yeah, very emotionally intelligent. That is what I feel like, very intuitive. So yeah, trust your intuition, guys. Then CO, we have COC. What else we need to add to this? Let's see what are the letters. Dil, it's dil in Hindi is heart. Okay, so someone, I told you, Rose, right? Someone will propose you. Your heart is gonna heal. Yeah. R and N. I'm getting the word, rise above. You're rising above. you are understanding that you are more than your like you're sometimes people have told you like you're not worthy enough or you're not beautiful enough. Now you're understanding that you're more than that, and you're embracing yourself. That is also, I feel like you're rising above the darkness. Something very, like, you're changing, your perception about life is changing. Or maybe you're becoming a mother. For some of you it's like you're becoming a mother, and because of that things are changing inside of you. You're becoming more kind, more compassionate. You are like letting go of the resentments you have. Okay, that is also I'm getting. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Bye bye, take care, group 1. Group number 2, if you chose this green brush pen, then this is your reading. So let's see what is changing, what is the big changes coming your way. So with this green, what I'm getting is like hiking, hiking, trekking, going to a hilly area, like yeah, going to a forest, like yeah, tent. I can see a tent, camping, something like that you might be doing, or something like that. Yeah, okay. Then going in a forest, connecting with Mother Earth, going to a meditation course or something, like workshop or something like that, or doing something online, maybe yoga, something, learning yoga. I'm getting that also for you guys. Maybe something in that area, but definitely going out and having fun with friends. For some of you it can be a road trip also, like going out, finally having fun, finally getting out of your house and connecting with people. Okay, that is changing for you guys, finally getting out of your house. So let's see for my group number 2. What is changing for them? What is changing for them? What is changing for them? Oh wow, yeah, look, you're getting out of your darkness and you are going to be in your full power, guys. Wow, you're coming out of a very dark period. You're going to see the lights here. For some of you, definitely, as I said, if you have been in this depression or something like that, you're going to come out of that, and you are going to enjoy life with your friends. You'll be connecting with more with people. So for some of you, I feel like you were because with this pandemic going on, you were so like feeling alone, lonely, and you were not connecting with people. So you felt like that, but finally you're coming out of it. You're going to be confident in yourself. You're going to be in your power finally. Okay, finally you will be back to yourself. That is what I feel like. Okay, a major cycle has ended. You have learned a lot of lessons. Now you are going to be in your full power. For some of you, you're spiritually awakening also. I'm getting here. You're understanding who you are, because this period of aloneness has made you realize something, and now you're like, I don't want to go back into that period. Now I'll be in my full power and enjoy my life. So for some of you, getting out of your comfort zone, doing something that you thought something like that you never thought you would do, something like that I'm getting here. You're understanding your own power, your own worth. For some of you, you will be reading more self-help books, or I'm getting here, that is also possible. And for a law of attraction, reading about law of attraction, how to be in your power, yeah, that kind of books you will be reading, and you'll be applying into in your life. I'm getting here healing energy, a lot of healing with this green color. You're healing your past, you're healing your dark period. You have gone through a lot of darkness, a lot of period, maybe financial loss, maybe relationship loss, because of this pandemic. You might have lost someone, and to have you have gone through a very rough period, but finally you're healing. You're coming back to yourself, coming into your power. Okay, you're finally going to be feeling very powerful. Okay, and for some of you, you'll start using law of attraction, manifesting your desires, and you're like, yes, I can do it. That kind of energy. When we are depressed, we don't believe in ourselves, but finally you're getting out of it, and you will be feeling that you can do anything that you desire to. That kind of energy you're getting into. Okay, and that's beautiful. And yes, you are very powerful. Okay, remember that. So let's see what else for my group number 2. What are the changes happening for them, divine? Look at that. You have crown chakra 7. Again, 7 and 7. 7 and 7 is very spiritual number. So remember, your crown chakra is activated. You're getting a lot of downloads. You're getting your messages. You're getting your signs. You're seeing the symbols. You're seeing, you will be seeing a lot of signs before your manifestation comes true. I'm getting that also. Okay, I'm getting, you will be seeing like a yellow bird or something. Okay, I don't know why that came, this yellow bird. Like that will be sign before your manifestation takes place. You might be seeing some birds. Snake, snake also. Maybe you're seeing snakes in your dreams. I don't know, but definitely a rebirth, a transformation, a huge transformation is happening for you guys. Finally you are taking that skin where you were feeling very bad about yourself, where you were feeling that you don't have anything, and you're coming in your power and no one can break you now. And you have the guidance from the divine because you're believing in the divine. Okay, finally for some of you will be starting a spiritual path. As I said, maybe you will taking course about yoga, meditation, something like that, and you will be in your power. Yeah, that is what I feel. Something about meditation also. Okay, I'll shuffle again. Let's see. A lot of cards falling out. Wait. Yeah, look at it. Conflict and defeat. With this 5 and 6 as I said, you have been going through a lot of dark period where it can be a career wise, relationship wise, but you're moving on to your full power. You're getting into it. Okay, you're understanding your own worth. You're like, you might have been in a relationship with narcissist people, right? In career also, in workplace also, people might have made you feel defeated, something like that. Maybe people have told you that you're not worthy, and because of that you have experienced a lot of bad things in your life. You have lost your confidence, but finally you're taking back your confidence. You're believing in divine, you're trusting in the universe, and you're moving away from these kind of people who put you down. Okay, you're moving into your full power, and you don't care about what others think of you now. You're like going to be so confident. So lot of transformation inside of you. You're connecting more to the divine. You're like getting out of it because you are getting the truth. You're like you're seeing the truth. You're seeing the bigger picture, that it's them, it's not your energy. They are it's their energy, it's not you. And you're understanding your own worth and moving to a better place. For some of you, changing jobs, changing relationships. You're getting out of relationship, last is narcissist relationship, and finally you will be in your own power. Okay, you will not be afraid. That is what I'm getting. Yeah, for some of you, you have done a lot of shadow work also. I'm getting a lot of shadow work. You know now who you are. So it was not an easy process with this darkness. It was very tough, but finally after this darkness comes the light, and yes, you're going to be in your power. No one can now do anything to you. That is what I feel like. You're healing. Yeah, let's see what else. Yeah, you're healing from your past. That is what 6 and 6, 7 and 7, 6 and 6. Look at the number 5, 6, 7. You're stepping up, right? You're healing from your past. You're forgiving them. You're moving towards your own future. You don't care about that now. You're just not holding any resentments. I feel like that. For some of you, you need to forgive also. I feel like, so you can move forward. But definitely I see you forgiving. Again, you got the 6 of cups, sorry, 6 of swords here. 6 of swords, moving on to a new place. For some of you, you're moving away from your past. You're moving away from your past relationship, career. You're completely moving away from your past, and you're going to be in your full power. Okay, so relocation, maybe changing homes, moving away from these kind of people, change of careers, something like that. But definitely to a very better place you're moving. Transformation. Again, we have this butterfly. Okay, wow, beautiful, guys. Yeah, you're moving away from your disappointments and you're starting your new life now. Okay, for some of you it can be a new career, and you're not worrying about how this career will pan out, how things will pan out, but you're just taking this leap of faith and moving towards. You're getting out of your disappointments. You know now that disappointments will not give you anything, and you're like, now I don't care about these people. I don't care about the emotions. Now I'm just going to live my life to the fullest. I'm going to be happy and I'm going to be in my power. That is what I feel like. Okay, for some of you, you might be traveling to a new place. As I said, like changes completely. Your inside is changing. Yeah, you're understanding you're more than your past, and these relationships that you don't care because you have seen that darkness. Now you're going to the light. Look at the light. Light is coming. You're getting out of your past. You're forgiving yourself, and you are moving towards a better future. That is what I feel like. things are changing for you. For this pile, it's like a massive transformation. It's like from darkness to the light. You were like you have you have crossed the tunnel, and now you will be seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. That is what I feel like. Yeah, transformation, as I said, rebirth, a complete end of a, end of a chapter, and now it's the start of a new beginning. It's like you ended something in yourself, you ended a relationship, career, or something, a limited belief about yourself, whatever it is. It's this thing is like a rebirth for you guys. You're a new person now. You're a person, I feel for you guys. People will be like, who, they will be like, if they, if you see some people from your past, you'll be like, oh, she was not like this, or he was not like this. They are so confident now. That is what I feel. Complete transformation. Yeah. You're gonna enjoy your life with the Three of Cups. Celebrations, celebrating with friends. You're going to find the people who you can vibe with. You're getting out of this narcissist people. Look at this Nine of Swords energy. You have been worried, you have been anxious. For some of you, I feel you have been this period of depression. Now you're getting out of this period of depression and finally starting your new life, okay, where you will meet people who you can vibe with. Okay, with this Queen of Pentacles, you will be happy in yourself. You will be making mature decisions, and that is what I feel like. You are moving to a very, very, very better place. Your past is over now. You're not in your past. You're forgiving yourself. You're forgiving others. A massive transformation for you guys. Your is like a massive transformation. You're healing and you're moving towards a better future. The Fool energy. The Fool is not at all worried about the future. He's just living his life, enjoying the present moment, and he's in your, and you will be in your power, because you are connected to the divine. Wow, look at that. Oh my god. So let's see what are the charms for you guys for group number 2. Yeah, we got the Scorpio. Look at that Death card, and we got the Scorpio, like major transformation. Okay, you're getting out of something. Yeah, again, 8, to abundance, to infinity, right, to happiness, to prosperity. It was just a matter of timing. Right? Yeah, and everything. Yeah, it was just a matter of timing. I'm getting here. You're getting out of it. I feel like it, and everything is happening at the correct time. Yeah, again, you got the 8 and 8. Look at that. Abundance, prosperity, and we have this, if you have struggled with money, with this Queen of Pentacles, I see you will be making your coins. You will have everything, guys. Finally, you're moving away from your past, you're moving away from your limitations, and you're believing in yourself. You're going to be very, very confident, and yes, you're going to make it happen. Whatever you want, you will achieve it. Commitment. For some of you, there is a commitment. You will be committed to your work also. I'm getting here. That is what I feel. Yes, foundation. You're building your foundation. For some of you, will travel. As I said, there's a lot of travel vibes. You got 6 of Swords 2 times, right? So yeah, travel might happen. Healing, yeah, again, healing family problems, family issues, healing your past, moving on. You're moving forward very, very courageously. You're not afraid of anything. Yeah, with love, angels are with you. Yeah, you're going to be hot and spicy. Yes, you're going to be very attractive also, I'm feeling like. Yeah, you're going to be in your power. And when we are confident, we glow, right? When we are happy, we glow. That is what I feel for you guys, like a massive transformation. Yeah, okay, like you're healing your inner child. That is what I feel like. Yeah. Again, we have this cute face, like, yeah, like you will be enjoying small things in your life, and you're like getting out of your past. You have worked a lot of shadow work for this pile. Yes, you're doing good, you're doing amazing, you're moving forward to a very, very bright future, guys. You're very, very nice. And we have number 9, completion of a cycle. Like, yeah, you have been in this hermit mode. I feel like that now it's time to shine. You have done your inner work. Now you're gonna go out, have fun with the people you vibe with, and you're getting out of all this conflict, defeat, or maybe it's not even people, it's your own thinking. Yeah, because of the conditioning we have in our society, that we are not capable enough. For some of you might be uncovering a talent that you have, and you will be working on it, and it will give you a lot of abundance. So yeah, things are shifting for you guys. Yeah, you are amazing. Okay, you have done a lot of work. You have seen the worst period. Now no, you will not see that again. Okay, because you're going to a brighter future, and you're so confident in yourself. Confidence. Okay, you're going to be very confident in yourself. I feel for you guys, you're moving on with this depression period. I feel like that. If you haven't, you will definitely. Okay, so you are okay, and you. Okay, let's see what else. For group number 2, there is Y, there is I, there is C, there is B, there is W, there is O. Yes, I'm getting the word win. You will win. Yes, you're winners. You're winners. O, E. You have done so much work, guys. So I'm like, you have gone through so much. You're very strong people. No one can do anything to you. You're so powerful. Yeah. Now nothing is gonna go wrong. Okay. Yeah, we have ing ring. I'm getting a phone call, maybe of very importance. I'm getting, okay, phone call, something like that. Okay, yeah, yeah. Bin, you're putting everything, like what you don't want, your feelings, the people, and the bin, dustbin, and moving towards a better future. You're not. Yeah, that is what. Okay, yeah, you're winners. You're winners. Okay, wire. Okay, wire. With this wire, why I'm getting this electricity vibes. Maybe you will be like, you're like an electricity, you'll give shock to people or something like that. I don't know, but you're going to be very, very, very beautiful, very, like, I'm getting this sexy energy, attractive or something like that, like a massive transformation, like your weight loss, something like that will be looking very good. Like people will be like electrified. I'm getting that vibe. They will be like, oh my god, how has he or she changed so much? That kind of energy, like it's like outer transformation also for some of you, definitely. Oh my god, beautiful. Yeah, you're gonna say no. If you want to say no, you will say no. Now you're not afraid to say no. That is also I'm getting. Yin, yes, it's time to receive. You have done a lot of work. Now it's time to receive the appreciation. Yeah, yeah, and it's time to listen to your feminine energy. Yeah, with this crown chakra, that is, yeah, you're getting a lot of downloads. I'm getting, your intuition is also strong. Okay, yeah, you're gonna go far away places, relocation. Maybe you'll visit Paris, or don't know, because yeah. Anyways, bye bye. Group number 2, take care. Hello, group number 3. If you chose this blue color brush pen, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what big changes are coming your way. So the message I'm getting is like your third eye and third eye is opening up, a lot of clear vision. So for some of you, you are opening up to your spiritual gifts. That is the change. For others, I'm getting that you are uncovering your own treasure. You're gonna find some talent. Yeah, you're gonna you're gonna find yourself. That is what I'm getting. You're gonna uncover some treasure inside of you, some talent that you thought you never had, or something you are gonna uncover. Maybe you had talent of speaking and you didn't know that, or maybe you had talent of writing or painting, anything. You're gonna uncover that. You're gonna master that talent. That is what I'm getting. For others, I feel you're spiritually growing. You're advancing. If you already have, if you're already working on your spiritual gifts, I feel you will be expanding them. Okay, lot of growth in the spiritual area I'm getting here for you guys. That is changing. If you're following a spiritual daily practice, keep on following that, because a lot of changes are happening. You have a connection with star seed also. I'm getting a lot of light energy. Maybe you're light workers also, something about that light. You're bringing so much light. You are worthy. Okay guys, I have to say that you're worthy, and whatever you do will be beneficial to other people. That is what I'm getting. Even if your mother, even if you don't have whatever, through your words you are very healing people, okay? Understand that, and be proud of yourself, okay? That is what I feel. And I feel for you guys, there will be some, something will happen that will make you very, very proud of yourself. That is what is happening. You're going to appreciate yourself more, you'll be proud of yourself more, you'll be embracing yourself more, you'll be loving yourself more, and lot of perception about society, about things, about your limited beliefs is shifting for you guys. Like completely, lot of awareness is coming. I feel for this while you will be detaching from your expectations and moving. You will be in your full power. That is what I feel like, okay? A lot of spiritual growth for you guys, I feel. Okay, so let's see for group number 3, what are the big changes coming? Yeah, meditation. If you were these people, if you didn't like meditation, I see that you will be liking meditation more and more. So that is what I feel like. You will be doing meditations also. For some of you, you will be mastering some skill, definitely. If you are learning something right now, you will master that, okay? Let's see what is big changing. Yeah, hunger. Okay, so you have something to feed, right? Inside of you there is a hunger, right? And one part of you says that it's not good because of the society, and one part of you says that yeah, I need to do this. Like two parts. There is something inside of you that is telling, your soul is calling you. So for many of you, you're going to align with your life purpose, okay? So I feel for many of you, you're right now in the situation where you're like you're very confused about two things. You're like, one thing is saying, no, I shouldn't do this, this will not give me the finances or something, and the other part of you is saying like, I need to do this, this is my, this is what I like to do, this is my passion. And finally you will be following your passion. Finally you are connecting to your life purpose, to your soul purpose. You are understanding why you came here, okay? That is what, you are gonna feed your hunger, okay? That is changing. So for some of you, there might be career change, relationship change, the way you look at things is gonna change, okay? Yeah, a lot of changes, a lot of lifestyle changes also I'm getting. Maybe food changes, lot of changes, okay? The way you think is gonna change. Maybe you are going to be like, if you were very you used to think a lot of negative thoughts, I feel that is shifting in you. You are going to more into this positive thoughts. You might be reading a lot of law of attraction books or self-help books, or yeah, taking care of yourself. That is what I feel like. For the change is like you're connecting to your life purpose. Yeah, that is what I feel for group number 3. Your vision is very clear. For some of you, you're very your thoughts, your intuition is also strong. And for some of you, your clairvoyance, and you can see the see your future. I feel like for some of you, like while meditating, you might get messages, and you will see the, after some days, what you saw in your meditation, it manifested for you guys, something like that. So yeah, your meditations are all powerful. I feel like that is shifting. Lot of spiritual growth, and you're gonna feed yourself with positivity. That is what I'm getting here. Let's see. And full moon energy. During full moon, you're very, very powerful, I'm getting. So manifest during full moon, new moon. You have the power to manifest anything you desire to. You have that power, okay? Okay. So for some of you, you are moving away from your past, away from your past resentments, okay? Let's see what else. Yeah, obstacles and challenges. You're moving away from your obstacles and challenges. You're this pile is like you're understanding that without obstacles and challenges we will not grow, and you are understanding that it is a part of life, and you're not fearful of it anymore, okay? A lot of confidence, a lot of power, you're very powerful. Okay, for some of you there is a spiritual union, okay? For some of you it's like if you have been feeling very imbalanced right now, I see your energy is getting balanced, okay? So maybe you have been working hard lately and you're not receiving that much. I feel there will be balance in that, like your feminine and your masculine will be balanced. Yeah, if you have been going through a lot of challenges and obstacles, things are going to balance up, okay? right? So maybe, what happens sometimes, we take some project and we start working on it, and then comes a lot of obstacles and challenges, but you are very strong, you have overcome that obstacles, and things are going to be okay for you guys. Things are going to like come in union, things will be okay. If you have some project, if you have some idea, that will be okay, that will be balanced. For others of you, if you have been in a relationship with a person where you have fought for them, or your relationship, you had gone through a lot of obstacles and challenges, finally you will be reuniting, I'm getting. So for some of you, if you have been in a twin flame journey or something like that, I feel like you'll be reuniting with this person. And with this infinity symbol, there is so much of infinite love inside of you, I'm getting. For some of you, it's you connecting with your higher self. Okay, yeah, it's you. For some of you, it's definitely you connecting with your higher self, you connecting with your own life purpose, you feeding your own hunger with, I feel for this while you have felt a lot of void in yourself. Like, if you were working on a career and you were feeling very void, you make enough money, but at the same time you're not so happy with your career, you feel something is lacking in your life. That is going, you're connecting with yourself, you're connecting with your higher self. Not everyone, that is your connection with higher self is going to be very strong, so trust it, okay guys. Yeah, and you are more than your obstacles and challenges. You are strong, very strong, you can overcome anything, okay? And you have learned a lot of lessons, so that is what I feel. You have learned a lot of lessons, now it's time to shine. Okay, so yes, don't be afraid to do something different from others, I'm getting, because you are meant to be different. Yeah, you're walking away from these obstacles and challenges, you're walking away from something, maybe a career, justice, again balance. Again balance, things are balancing up for you guys, you're completing a major cycle. If you have felt that there was some injustice happening for you guys, yes, you will get the justice, the karma is going to balance. You're moving away. For some of you, it's a relationship that was not working, you're moving away from that, and connecting with your own self, with your own higher self, loving yourself. That is the first thing. Getting out of a job that was not helping you, or getting out of your own head and connecting with your higher self. That is what is changing for you. If you have been stressed lately, if you have been overthinking, you're getting out of it. Because things will happen for you guys, things are going to balance for you guys, and there's a lot of connection with the higher self. That is what I feel strongly for you guys, a lot of connection with your own higher self. And yes, you will get a lot of wisdom from your higher self. You will know what you want to do. So meditate, guys. But I feel you will be meditating. You're overcoming your challenges. You're moving towards a phase of balance, I'm getting here. A lot of balance is coming your way. Yeah, again, Two of Pentacles. For some of you, again, twos are all about balance, right? And we have the Queen of Cups here at the back of the deck. So yeah, your intuition is getting stronger. You are emotional. Always trust your emotion. Whenever you're in a situation when you have to make a decision, trust your own emotional, how you feel. If you feel good about it, take that chance. If you don't feel good about it, maybe you shouldn't, right? So it's all about the feeling. And if you're doing two jobs, or you have been like working two things, like if you have been balancing your family, career, you will be able to balance everything very properly with this justice. Look, we have justice 11, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. You have 2 here, you have 2, so 2 2 2. It's all about balance, managing your responsibilities, union, right? Relationship is changing for you guys. Your relationship is getting stronger with yourself. That is what I feel, strong. You're with your higher self. You're connecting with your higher self more and more. For some of you, definitely you are your relationship with other person will be like growing. You'll be knowing, for some of you it can be twin flame journey. As I said, you will be getting your justice, you will be meeting you will be connecting with this person. For some of you, you will have marriage also. It is also possible, okay, for some of you. Yeah, that is what. But what I'm getting is like you're connecting with your own higher self. Yeah, that is what. For some of your travel is also possible with this Eight of Cups, and the ships. You're moving away from some place, and yeah, completely relocation, relocating to a new area, new place. That can also happen. You have been waiting for that. Maybe you have been, some visa or paperwork you had, and finally that will be okay, and you will be moving towards something new, some new places. I'm getting here. Okay, yeah. Let's see what else. Oh, look, victory card. Yes. So you, if you have encountered a lot of obstacles and challenges, you will be victorious. You will overcome all these obstacles and challenges. Justice is going to serve. You will be recognized for your work. So if you are doing something on social media or anything, you will be recognized for your work. Okay, if you're doing, like, yeah, you will be victorious. So if you're handling your career, your work life, you will maintain a balance. Sorry, career and your home life. If you're like a mother who is like balancing so many things at the same time, you'll be easily balancing it. Okay, and you will be feeling very victorious. You will be recognized for your work. People will recognize you for your work. Okay, so if you haven't been recognized, you will be recognized. Okay, there is a lot of victory, success coming you. And that is what is shifting. So if you have been feeling that I have been working, no, nothing, I'm not recognized, I'm not getting my what I deserve. If you have been not getting the pay you deserve, you will be getting that pay and getting here that thing. But the most is you're connecting with your higher self, and it's beautiful, because you will know what you need to do. You're coming out of your like conflicts. Yeah, Five of Wands, I'm seeing like Five of Wands energy, where you have been feeling very conflicted with your own thoughts. You're getting out of it. You're moving towards success. Wow. We have Nine of Pentacles. Wow, beautiful. And yeah, Four of Swords. So meditation will help you a lot. Take your for some of you, you're very hardworking people. You do a lot of hard work, so take some time off for yourself. Okay, so go on a vacation or something like that. Maybe you will go on a vacation. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, and of course with the 6 and 9, look at money wise also I'm getting stability. If you have a business, if you have something related business or something, there will be growth there. Okay, that is also I'm getting. So financially also things are gonna be good for you guys. If you have been working too much, and if you're not getting that payback, I see that you will get that. But most I feel for you guys is like you are connecting with your higher self. You're going, you're spiritual. You're spiritually advancing, I'm getting. Okay, I feel for this pal, you are already very spiritual. You're gonna be more spiritual. That is what I'm feeling. Okay, so like your connection with higher self is going to be very strong. So listen to your higher self. Okay, let's see what the charms have to add to this. Yeah, your heart center is opening up, and when our heart center open up, we receive lot of blessings, right? That is what I feel. Look, magic. You're going to believe in magic because you will see it. That is what I feel. That is what is shifting. You will believe in magic. If you don't believe in magic right now, you will be believing in it. Yeah, things are changing for you guys. Things are going to get balanced with this 5 and 6 here. 11 again, we have 11 here, justice, right? And we have a 6 here. So yeah, things are coming together. You will be able to, harmony is coming your way. Look, you have, for some of you will be opening your new keys to your new home, like relocating to some place, as I said, that is changing, or a new car, something like that, new office. And for others, it's like you're connecting, you're opening up your higher self, or something like that. Like your connection to the higher self is going to be very strong. Look, owl, you have owl again. I saw this, right? So yeah, your wisdom, your intuition, you have a lot of wisdom. Your intuition is going to be on point. Okay, keep on moving forward with your goals, right? Loyal, again we have these dogs. I feel like loyal relationships are there. You're very loyal people. At the same time, when we are loyal, when we are in that energy, we attract more loyalty, right? So I feel for you guys, a lot of loyal relationships are coming your way. Okay, a lot of good friendships. Yeah, even if you don't have any friends now, I feel like you will be attracting in the future. That is changing. Some new friends are coming your way. We have a gun, wealth. I'm getting a lot of abundance in the finances, 9 of Pentacles. We have 6 and 9 of Pentacles, victory and success. Like For some of you, it's like your business growing, getting recognized. If you have a like a online something work, you will get recognized for that. A lot of money coming your way like that. I feel like growth in money. Yeah, if you want that, yeah, that is happening. We have LQ. Okay, let's see what are the other letters for you guys. We have again an L. Okay, again an L. Oh my god, what is with these L's? And if you, it's your name, C. Okay, E D G D G B T. Again an E. So many E's and L's. Okay, I. Big. Something big is gonna change in your life. That's for sure. Like it's like something inside of you. It's like changing. We have Ellen, and right, something like that. Okay, so some of you have some, yeah, lid closing. I feel like you are ending a chapter, moving towards a new one. I'm getting that also here. Yeah, but big things are gonna happen for you guys for sure. Something is changing here. Lip. Okay, you're gonna speak your truth. Or for some of you, you might do something in your lips or something like that. I don't know. Maybe that is, maybe, yeah, there you will change something in your lip. Maybe you will get some like, we do something like in the lips. I don't know about it. Maybe we'll do that, and your appearance will change or something like that. Okay, yeah. Background. Yeah, background. Okay, something I'm getting this background. Yeah, end of a cycle. There's something ending. Yeah, end of this obstacles. We have this final. This is changing obstacles and challenges. Now is the time to shine. It's the time for victory for you guys. Okay, LGBT is there. So maybe you will be coming out of your shell. For some of you, like accepting yourself, right? Not worrying about other people. You will get justice in there also, I feel like. Yeah, you'll be getting recognized. Maybe you do something regarding them, like LGBT, for you do something for LGBT community or something like that. You will be recognized for your work or something like that also is coming here. And for some of you, yeah, you're walking away from these kind of people who are not accepting you. You're moving away from towards the people who accept you. Okay, that is also coming here. That is for some of you, is like end of something, end of a relationship where people don't support you. Going away from them and accepting yourself, loving yourself, like connecting more with your higher self. You have been like, yeah, with this hunger card makes sense now. You have been like wanting to, to accept yourself, and one part was like what society will say, and you're like, now I don't care about society, I want to live my life, right? That kind of energy I'm seeing here for some of you. Yeah, freedom. You're finally going to be feeling very free. That's it, group number 3. Bye bye, take care.